You are dealing with the most electrifying man in all of New York City Transit. On the most electrifying train in all of New York City Transit. Damn it. Fucking N-Train, bitch. Let me just say this. The Sonic Boom event. Sonic Boom. New York City, get ready. Sonic Boom is just in a few hours. And my God, I'm getting ready. And I gotta thank my mother. Gotta thank my mother. Thanks for the ticket. So yes, I will be attending Sonic Boom. Oh yes, Knuckles will be there. Guarantee you that. Damn right. Over at Coney Island. Yes, I will be over at Sonic Boom. I'll probably be over there with a few others, but you know, me myself, I'll be wearing exactly what I got on. Damn right. And my hair would be braided. Can't do the dreads yet because I ain't at that level, but you know, getting there. But yes, this is Knuckles. And yes, I will be at Sonic Boom. Guarantee that. On the most electrifying train in all of New York City Transit. God, it feels good saying that shit again. And another thing, how you get there, if anybody that's in New York, you get there by taking the A, C, or E to 34th Street, Penn Station. And what you do is you go right upstairs, and the building should be right there. It's Manhattan Ballroom, I think it was, that you're supposed to be going to. But yes, that's where the place is located. You get in line, you do whatever the hell you want to do. You just go there. If you're a Sonic fan, the ticket's about $41-something. 42, the meaning of life. Get your ass over there. Yes. I'm definitely bringing my ass over there. So yeah, I finally got my ticket. Took me a bit, but you know, but the man ain't really too good at with cash at the moment. But you know, shit is working out. So what can you do? So yes. So finally, I got my ticket. Finally, to go to Sonic Boom. Finally, I get to announce all of this shit. It was funny how they did that though. It was like Tails Channel with Matt. I'm pretty much beating everybody. If you think about it. So yes. I'll be at Sonic Boom. Can't wait to see y'all motherfuckers there. Oh yeah, the beard's coming off too. So no more Jesus Knuckles. Yes. Fucking N-Train, bitch.
Somebody go get this quick. My work is